Alright, what's good everyone? By the end of this video, you're gonna learn how to press up to a handstand just like this. Stay tuned. Alright, what's good everyone? It's your boy G10X with another video. Now listen, after this video, you should learn how to press up to a handstand. Alright, so to begin with, there are three things or three exercises we should master. The first one is the frog stand, okay? So you should be able to hold the frog stand for about 8 to 10 seconds. You should be comfortable in this position because this is the position you're gonna start pushing up from. And the second exercise is the pike push-ups. You should be doing 10 pike push-ups easily because this means that you have enough strength in your shoulders to push yourself up into a handstand. And the third exercise is the handstand itself. When you press up, you want to be able to land on your hands and not fall back. So that means you should be able to balance up there for at least 3 to 5 seconds. Alright, now towards the end of the video, I'm going to teach you guys some tricks that you can be able to use so you can instantly do it after this video, even if you're starting out. So the first exercise we're going to do is the frog stand leg lifts, alright? So you want to do is get in the frog stand and then lift one knee up and the other knee and try to lift both knees alternatively. Now this will get you comfortable taking your knees off and just balancing on your arms by itself, all right? Now after you mastered this skill, what you want to do is you want to try to lift both knees up, okay? So when you've built enough strength and endurance in your shoulder, then you'd be able to lift both your knees up just like this, all right? See, my knees are off my arms. This means I have enough strength and stability in my shoulders to carry my body weight up to a handstand. Once you get this level down, you're gonna have enough strength to lift your hips a bit higher. So something like this. All right, you wanna kind of arch your back. So this is kind of putting you in a bent handstand, a bent arm handstand. All right, one thing you guys can do to get comfortable with that is just do like some lifts and then do a negative, all right? So you press up and you slowly drop down, all right? Doing negatives is a great way to build some strength. So you lift up and slowly go down. In order to have more stability and balance, try to grab the ground, okay? So don't keep your hands flat and inactive. You want to actively use your hands, use your fingers to push back so you don't fall forward. Because if my hands are flat, there won't be enough balance and stability. But when you kind of grab the ground, you have more control than having your hands flat. Now the trick here to press up to a handstand, to make it easier, what you want to do is you want to do the same thing I did now, but you want to straddle your legs to distribute the weight, making it easier for you to push up to handstand. Lean into that bent arm handstand and just lift your feet up, straddle them and get to the hand. So what I'm doing here is I'm using some momentum to help me get up to the handstand position. So again, it's gonna look something like this. Now when you keep practicing this, you will be able to build enough strength to eventually take control of the movement, okay? So you would start having more control. Oh, damn it. There was a hole on the ground. Anyway, now another tip you guys can do is use the wall to press up to the handstand. Anything which you can lean on. So you can do the same thing by using momentum and landing on the wall so you don't fall back. Over time, it's gonna get better. Now this was a quick tutorial. I didn't go into too much details, but this is basically all you need to learn that skill. If you guys want to level up in body weight, mentally, physically, you know how we do it. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.